not only enhance it's okay, it's enhance our knowledge, it empowers vocabulary, and if I go for it's to develop our analytic skill. But even though apart from that, it's the how to lead the your life. If you are like you, hello Ektaji, how are you?
Yeah, Neelamji. Hello, I'm on top of the world. And how about you? How is life treating you?
I'm doing a nice, fantastic. Yes, and now actually we are thinking about the for good session. So now, what do you think? Okay, first we will go for the introduction. Take the lead.
Okay, as you know, I'm Ekta Jain. I hail from Rajasthan. And if I talk about my qualifications, so I'm graduate in science biology. Moreover, I have completed my LLB as well as LLM. I'm homemaker as far as my hobbies. So I love traveling, cooking, dancing, listening to music. So that's all about me.
Yes, sure, sure. Fantastic. I'm glad to hear you. But you think you know you are YouTuber also, man.
Thank you so much.
Okay, from my side, I'm Neelam Hingra. Uh, I am from Delhi. I have done my graduation, post graduation, B.Ed. Now this time I'm professionally I'm a teacher, and I am YouTuber also. I have channel. I have created my channel English Journey with Neely. And if I talk about my hobbies, I am a mellowfine person, avid reader. Now this time I'm trying my hand in share trade as well. Yes.
Okay. I've also created my YouTube channel by the name of at the rate Simplify English with me.
That's the reason I was telling you you are YouTuber also, ma'am.
Yeah, I gathered some courage. Okay, I should start. So yeah, we
Okay,
started.
okay, okay.
So as you said that you're a modified person and you are avid book reader. Wow, you are multitasking. You are wearing so many hats also. So apart
Thank
from
you.
this, what do you do in your leisure time? Means what's
So
your favorite
if I
activity?
talk about my leisure time, actually lack of the time, I have lot of hobbies, but because of the lack of time, I can't fulfill my requirements. Some because hobby as well. I say that because because now this time we have grown up now. In childhood, there's lot of hobbies, but now we can follow only two or three hobbies. So like I'm a mellowing person. If anybody ask me, so then I will go for the reading. So I'm an avid reader. I'm very fond of reading. So I have lot of books. In my leisure time, I usually go for the reading. And reading is not only reading. It's real companion also. It's helper. It's an sister. Not even if I say this, usually I go for the thought-provoking books, and it enhanced my vocabulary. It enhanced empower my vocabulary and enhanced my knowledge. And so sometimes I feel that just now this time by the reading I feel that it's broadening my horizon also. So it developed my analytic skill. So a lot of qualities if we go for this hobby, because initially it's very tough task to adopt this habit for the reading, but it takes time. But drifts and drives, if we go for this hobby now, it's a very wonderful and beneficial hobby. So because reading is not a my I said again, I said just now that reading not giving us a amusement. So gives a insightful uh, analytic feel. So we usually I go for the insightful books which give me a childhood thought also. So that's the reason I follow this habit. Even though earlier I was not so much the about the reading. I'm not into the reading, but I purposefully I developed this habit because when we read the books, it's assist us how to lead a life, how to go. with the how to go the tackling the situation. It's not only enhance it's okay, it's enhance our knowledge, it empowers vocabulary, and so if I go for this to develop our analytic skill. But even though apart from that, it's the how to lead the your life. If you are like you are have suppose you are encountering the adverse situation, so
Hmm.
it assist us not to be panic, not to be impulsive, be prudent, sagacious, and pragmatic. Because these qualities very important for lead a good life. I have
Okay.
so many books. So sometimes what happens if we have so much knowledge inside. So when we treat other person very coolly and calmly, other person very harsh to us, rude. So it doesn't mean we do not need to treat them harshly and rudely. Why? If we are reading book, we are gathering so much knowledge, and we know how to treat, how to deal with others. So why we go for being harsh and rude? We should stay calm, and this reading is assist us. There's no need to be harsh. There's no need to be rude. Little bit, there's various way actually. There is various way to make them realize that where wrong they are. So why go for the ill behavior? Other person going wrong thing, going taking the wrong route. We should not go for that, na? Because we already know how to lead, how to go, how to lead a good life, how to treat other, how to deal this, how to handle the situation, tackling the situation. All these are because of the reading. And
Yes.
it doesn't mean if we are reading books, so I am always go for the good stories and all with thought provoking stories. Sometimes when I feel blue, I feel low, then I go for the stories little bit which amuse me a lot. So it uplift my mood as well. So sometimes I feel now I don't feel like to now this time I don't like to listen music. Then immediately I pick the book for go for the light story, which is just very easy and uplift my mood. So always I respect the books because it's not a companion, real companion as well. It's to help us to how to kill the time, why to go here and there. If you go for the this hobby, if you have built this hobby, you know go for the taking off the time. Why to waste the time? This is the good way to immerse ourselves in the books. So that's the reason I always respect the books and I always
I
read.
love books. I had bought many books. You know, I'm fond of reading. But whenever I start, it's not my cup of tea, really.
It's
So, you know,
I
when
said
I want to unwind myself, I start dancing, I start like listening to music. Means this kind of activity I love. Yes. I also
yes.
want to, but it's okay.
Yeah,
It's
no, I
hard
said that
for
it's tough
me.
to adopt this habit. It's tough to adopt this habit. But once you adopt this habit, now you feel yes, it's a good for the life. And every time you not go for the books. Sometimes you can listen music. You if you have a fond of dancing, you have hobby of the listening music and traveling. Those are other hobbies as well. But little
Yeah, and while
we should
traveling, it's
give that
very,
time also. We should also. That is a good way to. That's the
yeah,
reason.
while
Now,
traveling, we
mm,
can spend our quality time with our books. Yes. Books
mm.
give us immense knowledge. Yes. There's
Yeah,
no,
yeah. Very
there's
true.
no winner.
That's the
It's
reason
our
I
total,
said.
it's change our perspective, our mind, how we treat to others, how we think. Actually, it's all depends on our subconscious minds. Yes. So we get from books.
Yeah, yeah. So, man, what about you? And you tell about your any favorite activity. Anything, any celebrity, any impression you have just now this time you are cherishing any memory, an impression of the childhood.
Yes, lots of things are running in my mind. Okay, I'm talking about my favorite teacher. Okay, because
Oh,
I'm feeling of nostalgia actually, as you told me. So my childhood memories, I always remember my teachers. When I was in school in ninth standard. Okay, so yes, my favorite subjects was science and maths, and my teacher really, he was very empathetic. He was very compassionate. Means he had a great vision for the students. He always helped every student, but when it comes to me, so really, he used to help me a lot. He taught me everything like how to learn, how to write answers. So yes, he was very caring. I can never forget in my life. And when in I was in 11th standard, so in 11th 12th class, my teacher, she was very energetic. She was full of beans, so she always encouraged me a lot. So I decided to mark her work. Like I was also very passionate towards my studies. I burned midnight oil because yeah, actually I was very consistent towards my studies, and I
oh,
wanted to become I wanted to get my goals, my desires, whatever. Okay, so yes, my teacher, chemistry teacher, helped me a lot. So they place actually they hold a very great place in my life, in my heart also.
oh,
Plays very crucial role in our life. They guide us, they
yeah,
show us right path. So yeah.
definitely. I resonate with you. I resonate with you. Teacher plays a significant role because they showed us the path. And you are a great person and you are gratitude towards your teachers is great thing. It's very less person today's era. Everybody now maybe they are sometimes they get the higher rank. Still, they don't even care about the who showed the path and how they got this rank. They don't care about the teacher. Even though parents, even though today's era is going on, they are forget about the quality and the so many sacraments and ritual we have got from parents
Actually,
and teacher as well. But today's era, nobody care about that. But your quality, even though you are so qualified person, still you are just giving so much respect to your teachers, and because of you, I am also starting feeling nostalgia because you just remembered my childhood, ma'am. Really,
yeah, we all have our childhood memories we can never forget in our life.
yeah, yes, yes,
Hmm.
very nice.
Actually, they were very down to earth. So
Mm,
many times they helped me a lot. So
very
yes,
nice.
so whatever we learn in our our childhood days. So we always remember. We always carry those things.
Yes, you are right. They leave the impression on our minds forever, forever. We can check so much activity we have loaded with so much responsibility. Forget all these things, but sometimes we should take out some time. Like we have
Means
taken out.
profoundly they influenced me a lot. They emphasized me a lot. They influenced me a lot. So yes.
Very nice, very nice. Because
Mm.
today's teachers, you are usually not respected by all. But you
I'm
just
very I'm very grateful to my teachers.
very
Every-
nice. You're
yes.
so down to earth, ma'am. You're so good, nice to like. You are speaking so high about your teachers. Very nice. I am glad to listen you. And we just
Okay,
go for
nice to talk to you. Thank you so
speaking
much.
with you guys likewise. Okay, okay, okay.
Okay,
Thanks, Ekta ji. Thanks, Ekta ji. Okay.